Hello. As we begin our public speaking journey with a focus on preparation, I want to frame the next few sessions around a public speaking flowchart. Now, when I was a graduate student at Florida State University, one of the tools I was provided to teach public speaking was a public speaking flowchart. It is a flowchart that consisted of 9 steps. And interestingly, I have used that flowchart every year I've taught public speaking since. You see, I believe very strongly that these 9 steps are fundamental to preparing, delivering, and then evaluating the speeches you may find yourself giving in the future. So we will talk about the public speaking flowchart starting today. The flowchart I will work from over the next weeks, as I have said, consists of 9 steps. Let's begin with accepting the speaking assignment. Now, when you accept the speaking assignment, it can come in many different ways. If you're working in an industry, for example, it may be your supervisors, your boss, who invites you to give a presentation before others either within your organization or to others outside of your organization. If you are a student taking a college course, it may be your teacher. It may be friends of yours who are members of a student club or organization. Or it may be individuals who are in the community in which you find yourself committed to some form of community service. In either case, you may be called on or extended an invitation to speak. But then for many of us, it is those wonderful occasions. For those who have the opportunity to either speak or share remarks at a wedding, or in those challenging moments of sharing remarks for someone who has passed on. All of these lend themselves to invitations being extended to give a speech. So what are the 3 preliminary things you need to get in order to deliver that speech? I would argue that those 3 things would include information about the audience, information about the occasion, and information about the subject. What is it exactly that you would like for me to speak on? Is it a commemoration speech where I am paying tribute to someone or giving a eulogy for someone? Is it a speech as a best man or a maid of honor or matron of honor where I'm honoring either a bride or groom? Or perhaps it is a speech that I've been called on because of my expertise in a particular area. Regardless, I need to understand those 3 things. Who am I speaking to? That's number 1. What is the occasion? Number 2. And then, what is it that you would like for me to speak on? So keep those preliminary things in mind as you accept the invitation to speak.